was I able to create my structure for the video? I use the AIDA model of copywriting skill to create that content so that when people are looking at it, they are going to have their attention. They are going to, I got their attention, I got their interest, I got their desire, and I got them to do call to action. The call to action for this particular video, let me show you so that I can understand everything on this online space. Look at the call to action.
Again for life. Or type you are ready in the comment section to get started now.
And a lot of people, what did they do? You can see the comment section. 924 people commented on this particular advert. This is to let you know that you see on this online space, you need the required skills, you need the required knowledge, the required strategy for you to achieve it. And you can see the like. You can see a lot of people that this advert has actually reached. I have students in Ghana, in Liberia, in Sierra Leone, in Senegal, in a lot of African countries that have joined my training because that is that about that. So let me show you another of my ad. Look at this particular ad here. This one is another ad of
when you're over 8 billion.
What did I do here? I realized that my English ad is much more converting. I had to use my dialect to advertise the same thing in my language and see again, a lot of people have actually clicked on the ad. And you see this online. Once you have learned everything required, that particular thing you want to sell, it is just only one advert that you need. Because you have learned everything, that one advert will bring you a lot of people. Then if you now if you wish to create 3 adverts, 4 adverts, 5 adverts, 6 adverts, if you are capable of doing it. Me, I'm only creating English and Yoruba advert. That is 2. But that English and Yoruba, the Yoruba I am running it in 3 places or maybe 2 places. The English ad, I'm also running it in 2 places, which is 4 different ads online. And look at these 4 different. I cannot undo it alone. That was why I already hired some people that are also helping me to reply. Because I started from only me. When the leads were coming too much, I could not undo them again. I had to hire somebody. So if you want to continuously make money online for yourself, you need to decide it by yourself. Because once you have learned the required thing, you know everything you are expected to do, and then the money keeps coming for you. So this is my English advert, and that is how we run the paid ad. How are you going to be setting up your ad? How are you going to be running it? Everything, believe me, I'm going to be teaching you step by step in the monetization pathway, how you can also do it one after the other. So that is that about lead generation in organic way and in paid way. There are some things you need to take note when we are running lead generation, when you are doing lead generation. There are some things you need to take note. So look at this. Remember I showed you something about WhatsApp business the other time. This is how I run my ad, but there are different places that are depending on what you want to sell. I'm going to be channeling to your own what is going to be working for you. That is what I'm going to be telling you to do. So look at me, when I run adverts, instead of them to go to my seller, they don't go to my seller. Instead of them to go to my landing page, I direct them to my direct message on WhatsApp. And look at it. When you check my label here, you can see the lead for August. Over 1,000 people clicked on my ad on August. Look at September, over 900 and something. Think about it. Even if they are paying 1,000 naira, did you know how much they are going to be paying in a month? So think about this thing. You need to understand the process first so that you can get the required results that you want. If you did not learn accordingly to get all the strategies that you need, you don't know how to use all the tools, it's going to be difficult, especially if you are somebody that is broke, somebody that don't have money like me. You want to make everything by yourself first before you start delegating. Do you understand this thing now? So that is the importance of learning the required thing for you to be making money on this online space. So now, let's talk about what cold lead, hot leads, and warm lead is all about. You need to know what cold lead, hot lead, and you need to know what cold leads, warm lead, and hot lead is all about. When you understand these 3 things, believe me, when you are running your advert, whether paid or organic, it's going to be easier for you to dictate, and it's going to be easier for you to know how to nurture them, to convert them into buying customers, irrespective of anything you are selling online. Believe me, when you understand all these things from the beginning till the end, you will also continuously make money online. And now the question is, a lot of people will be thinking that, oh, I want to also know how to do this step by step, but if I want to go and be learning copywriting skill outside, learning all these things outside, is going to be difficult for me to acquire everything you have said in this video. And that was why I created the monetization pathway for every of my students and every interested participant that will be interested in learning all this process in just one training. I have the exclusive class and I have the royal class. You can see this exclusive class. I'm going to be teaching you precisely you need to have that something of value that you want to offer. It's either you have gotten a skill, you have a product, you have a knowledge, you have any business that you want to monetize, or you want to know how to make money through it. I'm going to be teaching you the 3 foundational skills in the monetization pathway in the exclusive class. I'm going to be teaching you the 3 foundational skills, which are the copywriting skill, closing skill, and then the social media content marketing skill. I'm going to be teaching you the AI tool that is going to be related to that particular thing that you want to sell. I'm going to be teaching you specifically that particular tools that is going to be useful for you. And again, I'm also going to be explaining the marketing funnel for you. You can see all these things. You need to learn them theoretically. All these things that I showed you here, they are just like 5% of 100% of what is in the monetization pathway. Think about it. If you have acquired more knowledge in ordinary 5%, what are you going to be getting in the 100% of the monetization pathway? You are going to be getting more than you are going to be getting lots more in the monetization pathway. So this is the exclusive class. If you can afford the exclusive class, you can easily join the exclusive class. This is the royal class here. This royal class, I'm going to be teaching you also the 3 foundational skills that you need to know, which is the same skill, but there is difference between the royal class. You are also going to be learning how to start a YouTube channel. Because you remember, YouTube pays in dollars if you create videos or anything that you want to let people value, just valuable videos. Everything that makes us money online, really giving out value. So once you create valuable videos on YouTube, they pay you in dollars. So I'm going to be teaching you how to start a YouTube channel, how to create African folktale story with AI tool, and also going to be teaching you cartoon video creation and lot of tools needed for you. And again, I will also teach you the marketing funnel in this. You see, when you want to learn each and every skills one by one from me, let's say you are not joining this training, you now want to learn them directly. Let me show you the amount that I charge to teach people all this particular skill. So when you come to my catalog here, you can see this is my catalog here, and then you can see foundational skills. If you want to learn foundational skills from me directly, probably you come to my institution, African Prince Alex Academy, or you come to APS Skill Up Institute where you want to acquire it. Ordinary social media content marketing skill, I teach this skill for 20,000 naira. As you can see from this that is currently loading here, I teach it for what? 20,000 naira. If you want to learn copywriting skill as well, I also teach copywriting skill. Did you see? I teach it for 20,000 naira. If you want to learn graphic designing skill, I teach that for 10,000. Video editing, I teach that for 10,000. You want to learn closing skill, I also teach that for 10,000 naira. That is if you want to learn it directly from me. But believe me, in the monetization pathway, I'm not going to be collecting this huge amount of money from you to teach you, because my goal for all African youth is for them to be able to understand the process. Let them also start using the process for them to make money online. And that is why in this monetization pathway, I'm only going to be giving the first 5 participants, I'm going to be giving them this offer. The first 5 participants that is going to be making their payment for this particular training, instead of them to pay 95,000 naira for exclusive class, only the first 5 participants that make their payment will be paying only 20,000 naira to acquire everything that I'm going to be teaching in the exclusive class. And if you want to join the royal class, only the first 5 participants that pay their money, they are only going to be paying 30,000 naira instead of paying 150,000 naira to acquire everything that I'm going to be teaching in the royal class. So if you want to be among the 5 participants, this opportunity is going to be closing very, very soon. As you can see, it is only early bird discount that I'm giving you. Only 5 participants that is serious and ready to learn. Not somebody that will pay and will not learn and implement. Please, if you know you are ready to learn, because I have designed this training in a way that you will have time to implement. Everybody know me the way I teach people. I teach step by step. I teach theoretically and practically for better understanding. I don't teach ordinary with my voice notes. I show you the video created by me so that you can understand everything by yourself, so that you can understand everything and you can also implement everything step by step. So for the only first 5 participants that is interested in whether the exclusive class or the royal class, if you want to be among the 5, you can see the account number here. Kindly make your payment into the account number you are seeing on the screen now. Send me the evidence of payment to my DM. If you are not my student and you also want to participate from this training and you want to be among the 5 participants that is going to be benefiting from this opportunity, once you make your payment, check the link in the description of my YouTube channel. You are going to see the link that will direct you to my DM. You can easily come to my DM to send me the screenshot of your evidence of your payment. Please, this opportunity is only for the first 5 participants that wants to participate in the monetization pathway. If you want to be among the 5, make your payment into this account and send me the evidence of payment to my direct message. And again, some of you may be like, oh, I really want to participate in this training and I don't really have that huge amount of money presently. How I wish I can pay this thing little by little so that I can also participate, because if you want to be among the 5 first participants, you can easily pay on installment. If you are joining the exclusive class, you have the opportunity to pay 5,000 naira 4 times. Once you make your first deposit, you tell me the date you are going to be paying your second, your third, your fourth. The date must be before the training starts. This is the 5,000 naira. You can pay it 4 different times. And if you want to join exclusive class, you have the opportunity of paying 10,000 naira just 3 times so that you can also benefit. The reason why I broke this thing down for you is for me to make sure that all African youth benefit from this knowledge and opportunity and learning the right process to make money, so that you can stop buying different courses without understanding what you are buying. This is the process. Have that something of value. Make sure you learn the strategies of selling that something of value. Make sure you learn all the tools required for you to sell that something of value, and make sure you learn the marketing for it. And that is exactly what I am going to teach you in the monetization pathway. Now, the question is, are you ready to take action, or you still want to continue to struggle on this online space? Have a nice day.